Hello and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. My name is Nicole, and believe it or not, this is the 30th episode of Outdoor Defense. I cannot thank you all enough for joining me for these last 30 episodes to teach you some ways that you can stay safe while going out and exploring the outdoors, hiking, adventuring, running, biking, and just traveling. And it's so hard to believe that I started this a year ago and we're already at 30 episodes. Right now I'm in Vermont. I felt this was the fitting place to have the 30th episode. And this week I want to talk to you about assailants. Here's the thing. You cannot turn a healthy person into an assailant by setting a boundary or saying no. If someone has it in their mind that they are going to be an attacker, that is something they were already planning to do. You did not cause it to happen. There's nothing that I can say to a healthy person that can turn them into an attacker. So if someone comes up to you, you're getting a weird feeling, your intuition kicks off, and you set a boundary, and for whatever reason that person decides to attack, that is not your fault. It was not because you set a boundary, it's because that person was an assailant. You can't make someone an assailant because of what you say and what you do. Now, the strong body language, the strong verbal strategies, getting yourself into ready stance and looking like you're confident and aware, and that can be a deterrent to someone who is an assailant, because most often assailants are looking for someone they think are vulnerable or accessible. And by showing that we are neither of those things, that can often deter someone to not choose us because they're not looking for a fight. They're looking to commit an attack, not get caught, and to get away with it. And if we make it clear that, hey, this isn't going to be easy, I don't want you around here, you're making noise so other people can hear, that can be a huge deterrent, because that could mean that they're going to get caught, and that's not what they want. So I just want you to keep that in mind when you're out there hiking. There's a lot of myths out there, and sometimes we may feel nervous about going out into a place where we're by ourselves, but remember, you have everything you need on you to manage your safety. You are more than capable right now yourself of managing your safety, and I'm here to help give you tools. I'm not the expert of your personal safety, you are. There's no one more adept than you to make decisions about what's going to be safest for you. I'm just here to give you some tools to add to your toolbox. All right, so what is season 2 going to hold for you? I have some really exciting things planned. I'm going to take a break for a little bit, come back in January of 2021 with season 2 of Outdoor Defense. I'm going to have some more dynamic examples. We're going to talk about even more topics. If there's anything in particular you want to hear about, send me a DM or make a note in the comments, and I will try to make sure that I address your question or your concern on a future episode. Thanks so much for joining along. Get out there, live a confident and free and empowered life, and explore your world.